Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Today we will learn sum of first n term of an AP. We do some activity here. Let a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d comma a plus 4d comma a plus 5d so on be the term of an AP. We represent this term graphically in this way. Here we take a first bar whose length is a unit and its breadth is 1 unit. Therefore, area of this bar is equal to a unit. That means the area of first bar represent the first term of an AP. Now we take a second bar of length a plus d. That means if we add d unit in the length of first bar, then we get a length of second bar which is a plus d and width is 1. Therefore, area of second bar is equal to a plus d, which represent the second terms of an AP. Similarly, the length of third bar is a plus 2d unit and its width is 1. Therefore, area of third bar is a plus 2d, which represent the third term of an AP. Similarly, the area of fourth bar represent the fourth term of an AP, that means a plus 3d. Area of fifth bar which represent the fifth term of an AP, which is a plus 4d. Area of sixth bar is a plus 5d, which represent the sixth term of an AP. Now take a bar equal to last bar and attach to the first bar as shown. Take another bar equal to second last bar and attach to the second bar as shown. By continuing in this way, we attach third last bar to the third bar, we attach third bar to fourth bar, second bar to second last bar and first bar to last bar. Then we get a rectangle of length 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, that means how much? 6 unit, and its breadth is nothing but the length of first bar and length of last bar, a plus a, that means 2a and 5d at it is. Therefore, breadth of this rectangle is 2a plus 5d. The length of this rectangle is 6 into breadth is 2a plus 5d. We take area of rectangle is nothing but sum of area of bar 2 times. Therefore, sum of area of bar is equal to 1 upon 2 into area of rectangle. That means 1 upon 2 into area of rectangle is nothing but 6 into bracket 2a plus 5d. That means 6 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus, we write 5 in terms of 6. 5 is nothing but 6 minus 1. Therefore, into bracket 6 minus 1 into d. Here 6 is nothing but number of bar. We represent by n. Therefore, sum of area of bar is nothing but Sn is equal to n upon 2. N is nothing but number of bar. Here number of bar are 6. Therefore, n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 6 is nothing but number of bar, that means n minus 1 as it is into d as it is. Therefore, the sum of first n terms of an AP is nothing but Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d, bracket complete. Sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Practice at 3.3. The first term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. Then find S27. Here the first term is given 6. Therefore, first term A is equal to 6, common difference D is equal to 3, and number of terms, that means N is equal to 27. We know that formula sum of first n term, that means Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket, which is term in this bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. Put n is equal to 27, a is equal to 6 and D is equal to 3 in this formula. We get S27 is equal to, n is nothing but how much? 27. Therefore 27 over 2 into bracket 2a. That means 2 into value of a is 6 and 6 twos are how much? 12. Therefore 12 plus the value of n is nothing but 27 minus 1 into D is nothing but difference. Then difference is how much? Difference is 3. Now 27 minus 1 is nothing but 26 into 3. 26 3s are 6 3s are 18, 1 is remaining, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that means 7 plus 12. We get here 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 9. Therefore 27 upon 2 into how much? 90. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10. That means 27 into 45, and 27 45s are 1215. In this way we complete this activity. Now find the sum of first 123 terms of even natural number. Even means natural number which is divisible by 2. Therefore 2, 4, 6, so on, these are the even natural number. The above sequence is an AP. A is equal to first term, that means 2. D is equal to difference between consecutive term, that means T2 minus T1. Therefore 4 minus 2, and 4 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 2. Therefore common difference is equal to 2. We know that Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute first term a is equal to 2, common difference is also 2, and number of terms n is equal to 123. Therefore S of 123 is equal to, replace n by 123 divided by 280 is into bracket 2 into value of a is nothing but how much? 2 plus into bracket n is nothing but how much? 123 minus 1 as it is, bracket complete into D, common difference D is 2. Meanwhile we take a product of this 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 123 minus 1 is nothing but 122 into 2. We take this multiplication, 122 into 2 is nothing but 244. 244 plus 4 is nothing but 248. Now divide by 2, we will get 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8. That means 124. Therefore 123 into 124 is equal to 15,252. Therefore sum of first 123 even numbers is 15,252. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video. Thank you.